everybody.
You try.
Okay.
God bless and peace to all of us. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas, Andy. Paul, where's yours?
Asa si Mama? Mama, asa si Mama?
This is how people.
Asa si Mama ay?
Merry Christmas, Paul.
How do I?
Kapper, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Say Merry Christmas, Minnesota.
Merry Christmas, Minnesota. Here's anything left of it.
I thought you were already falling asleep.
I was.
Good. Merry Christmas. They're gonna have a firework. People make noises. For us, for safer, so we use those. Even and New Year too. Tingnan.
They're the alarm springs over the windows.
Huh?
They're putting those bars over the windows.
I think so. Yeah, we have bars on ours
Not
too.
anymore. They took them off.
Oh, maybe only upstairs. But that one is lower ground. Only upstairs in case, you know. Happy New Year advance and God bless everyone. Peace to all of us. Merry Christmas, gloves. Look at them.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.
Say thank you to Tito Paul.
Malinton!
Ha?
Malinton! Sama na.
Pesos.
Ha?
Sige, tayong Paul. Alam yan na!
Unsa man na? Unsa man na? Ayaw, kay Hope na. Uh-oh. What's yours, Paul?
Put holy water.
Ibutan din na, ikap.
I got my own spending pocketbook.
Yeah.
But walay kwarta. No more credit cards. No more credit. No identity. No driver's license. No friends. Walay kwarta. That means no money. But
No money. No, yeah, financial, no money.
After bought me some sandals.
He likes he likes sandal.
These sandals from the Philippines.
Come on, Faith. Bring mo, Faith. You're welcome. Thank you, Paul. You like it, Inday? You like that?
Magamit pa nila, imamagigisi ang buwan. Magamit pa ng rapper. Wala man lang ang badminton at plaza. Abli, mukha ko.
Wow, I have wallet now. I have wallet.
Thank you.
Mo dong, sa may mo dong. Wala. Sanay dollar dong.
Wala.
Aman. Hihintay na. Ay, so. Masan sa mansoy.
Wala na ko naputos kay Aisom. Naputos na. Nakita na.
Ha?
Nahan ka, Inday?
Asa ka, mama?
Ha? Wala, nakuha na abrihan na.
Ha?
Nabrihan na.
Asa ni mama?
Don't return it, Paul. You're returning it.
I'm going to send it in USA. In the bag.
Dati niya dito.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nato na niya sa USA.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Mama, Merry Christmas sa mga tao. Great.
All the people.
Okay. Kuan din. Okay. Bye, Inday Hope. Bye, everybody. God bless.
All relatives.
Merry Christmas. I saw. Kim Kim.
Christmas.
God bless everyone. Merry Christmas. Peace to all of us.